This video would be on special right triangles. This looked like the Little Rascals handwriting when it first come on. Anyways, special right triangles. First triangle, special triangle I want to discuss is the 30, 60, 90 triangle. It is the 30, 60, 90 triangle because the angles measure 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. There's a special relationship or special ratio of the sides of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And that special ratio is this. The side opposite the 90-degree angle is x. The side opposite the 60-degree angle is going to be x multiplied by the square root of 3/2. And the side opposite the 30-degree angle is 1/2 of x. Simple and plain. Now let's move on to our next special right triangle, which is our 45, 45, 90 triangle. It is the 45, 45, 90 triangle because you have a right angle, a 45-degree angle, and a 45-degree angle. There's a special relationship or a special ratio of the sides of a 45, 45-degree right triangle. Since the angles are both 45 degrees and 45 degrees, the side opposite those angles will be the same. And it would be given the ratio, or not the ratio, the variable x. But what about the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse in this 45, 45-degree triangle is going to be whatever x is multiplied by the square root of 2. So now let's look at 3 examples. The first example I'm going to give you is a right triangle. Let's put that there. You're going to be given a 30-degree angle, and you're going to be given one side and asked to find the hypotenuse. We should see that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We could fill that right on there. But we still need to find the hypotenuse. Remember, in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the side opposite the 30 degrees is 1/2 x. The side, let be 60. 60. The side opposite 60 degrees is square root 3/2 times x. And the hypotenuse is just x. So what can we see between these two triangles here to help us solve for this missing side? Let's look at the side opposite of the 30 degrees. We have 6 and we have 1/2 of x. We can say that those two equal. We can say 6 equals 1/2 of x. If we do a little mathematics, arithmetic, algebra rather, multiply both sides by 2. The 1/2 and the 2 cancels out, and I'm left with x equal 12. There we go right there. So x will equal 12. We solve for x. X equal 12. And that is it. If x equal 12, I'm not even going to get into that second part. But x equals 12. The missing side is 12. So in this 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is 12 units. Let's move on to another example. I'm going to give you a right triangle, 90 degrees, give you a 45-degree angle. I'm going to ask you to find the hypotenuse, and I'm also going to give you one of the sides, which is 3. Remember, in the 45, 45 triangle, The two sides opposite 45 degrees are the same. So if this is 3, this over here should also be 3. So we have 3 and 3, right? The side opposite our 90-degree angle, let's go back to our 45, 45, is going to be whatever the side is multiplied by the square root of 2. So whatever the side is, which is 3, multiplied by the square root of 2. So the missing side here is 3 multiplied by the square root of 2. Excellent. Let's go over one more example, then we will be finished. Giving you a right triangle. Now I'm going to give you that the hypotenuse is 4 times the square root of 3. And give you that this angle here is 60 degrees. And I want you to find this side that's adjacent to the 60-degree angle. Using the triangle sum theorem, we know that this missing angle is 30 degrees. And we now have a 30, 60, 90-degree triangle. All right, a couple of things. In a 30, 60, 90-degree triangle, we know that the side opposite the 30 degrees is 1/2 of x. We know that let's put 30 degrees here, 60. We know that the side opposite the 60 degrees is x times square root 3 over 2. And we know that the hypotenuse is just x. Okay. Well, let's look at the hypotenuse. Let me change a little color. That's not it. Let me get red. Boom. Let's look at this hypotenuse here and here. Well, we have our x already. X is 4 times the square root of 3. 4 times the square root of 3. All right, but that's not what we're asked to find. We're asked to find the side opposite the 30-degree angle. That's the question mark. But if we know that x equals 4 root 3, this side here is going to be 1/2 multiplied by 4 root 3. Let's take it over here. 1/2 multiplied by 4 root 3. All right, let's put everything in the numerator and what's on the bottom in the denominator. 1 is just the identity property, so this is just 4 root 3 over 2. And to simplify it even further, we would have 2 multiplied by the square root of 3. So let's go back here. 1/2 multiplied by 4 root 3 gives us 2 root 3. So that this missing side is 2 times the square root of 3. That's it. Go back, watch the video. If you have any questions, post them. Watching the video is going to be an assignment. There are also additional exercises on Khan Academy that I want you to practice with. Peace.